You are going to love the 2016 Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions, plus zero gasoline, equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.